Hello guys, welcome back. Here I have the HUAWEI P9 Lite, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification and remove factory reset protection on this phone. At this step of the setup, you're asked to enter your Google account email and password, but we want to skip it. First, restart the device by holding the power key and selecting Restart. Once the welcome screen appears, select your language and region, then connect to Wi-Fi. Tap on the network field, enter a random word, highlight it, and choose Assist. Tap No Thanks, then use the Google search bar and type in Test DPC. Choose the first link, accept and continue, then select No Thanks. Scroll down and tap the Download APK button. Wait for the download to start, then update and allow permissions. Open the app, install it, and if installation is blocked, go to Settings and enable Unknown Sources, then install again. Open the app, accept the terms, and choose Setup Device Owner. Once the app sets the device owner, open it again, scroll down to the end of the list, and choose Wipe Data and Factory Reset Protection. The device will perform a hard reset, removing the factory reset protection. Once the reset is complete, the welcome screen appears again. Select your language and region. Continue through the setup, skipping adding a fingerprint, and tap Begin. You can now use your device without entering Google account details. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.